Hi friends, I am Sajat and welcome to SciTech. In this video, I'm going to tell you whether the Realme X2 supports actually the HDR videos directly from the YouTube application or not. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel guys. SciTech will be posting a lot of interesting reviews and a lot of comparison reviews with the other smartphones. And also do check the links in description for the playlist as well, which contain in detail reviews about the Realme X2 device, as you can see here. And also do check the community stories as well guys. So recently I have posted a post so where you can comment below what are the review you want and on which device. So you need to comment the device name and also along with the query whatever you want, so that I'll try to make a video on that as well. So as you can see here guys, a lot of users have started to comment below the post, and even I'm trying to reply to each and every person, as you can see clearly. So don't forget to check guys. So now let me get back to the Realme X2 device. So let me show you the what variant exactly I'm using right now in this video. So as you can see, a Realme X2 8GB RAM and 128GB variant. So let me open the YouTube application and let me show you whether the phone supports the HDR videos or not. So once you open the YouTube application, you need to type in the search for HDR videos. So only then you'll get only the specific videos which are in the HDR content. So let me select one of the video and let me show you the settings whether you can play the or not. So you need to tap the three dots and here you will get the resolution to choose. And if you see the HDR here, that means your device supports the HDR. And right now the Realme X2 supports the HDR content directly out of the box. So in the YouTube application. So that's very good thing guys. So having HDR enabled in the device is very good thing. So you'll have the high saturation levels and high contrast levels. So the videos look a little bit more saturated than the normal videos. So overall the display of the Realme X2 is very good. Even I did a in-depth display review of the Realme X2, and do check the links in description guys for the playlist of the Realme X2. You can find a lot of videos on the X2 device. So clearly you can see the Realme X2 supports the HDR content. So this is just a short video to demonstrate the support of the HDR videos in the Realme X2 device. So definitely I'll be doing a lot of reviews in the future as well. So stay tuned guys for that. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video guys. Bye.